Hi everyone, my name is Layal from Gemini Bakes, and today I'm coming to you with an absolute classic, Lamb Kabseh. It has the perfect blend of Bayara spices, succulent lamb and fragrant rice. I can't wait to show you. This is the blend of Bayara spices I'm going to use. First up, I'm going to cook my lamb, cover it with water and then boil it until the lamb is soft. They need to be cooked from both sides. I'm going to saute the onions and the garlic. Cumin, coriander powder, pink salt, white pepper, turmeric powder, a little bit of peppercorn, cardamom powder, cinnamon, black pepper, and lastly, fennel seeds. And now you mix it all up. And now we add the lamb broth. And here it is, the final result. This dish is so aromatic and I really recommend it for your next dinner with your friends and family.